Okay, welcome to the next video for today. As I said in the last video, the topic now will be how can we prepare an explosion view and to make a small video how the parts are assembled. To do that, we need to open a new file. So click on New, and what we had so far are part, we had an assembly here, and we had drawing, and the last things what we can choose here with standard to our DIN norm or in millimeters, both is fine. Make sure that you select metric here. I select DIN and create. So what we have here is our presentation file, yeah, because it will be in the end a presentation, and we can export a video, or we can show this presentation also in Inventor to, for example, customers, to other employees in your company, and so on, that they understand, as we see it here in this preview, that they understand how the assemble group is assembled. Yeah, and we start here with create. And automatically it pops up this window where we can import the assembly group or the part, whatever. Yeah, because we cannot create something in this environment. Yeah, so we need to import already prepared parts or assembly group. In our case here, or in my case, automatically this universal joint is selected, and I confirm that because this is okay for me. So we see now here our group. We can a little bit change the view, so that's okay for me. What we do now is we deassemble this assembly group, and later when we push here the play button, then we see how it will be assembled. So we do it in the completely opposite way. Yeah, we deassemble this here now, and later it will be in the video or in our presentation, it will be assembled. How we do that? First, we need to change the position of components. I click on that. Yeah, click on this button, and the first thing is that we need to select the part what we want to, or the part that we want to change according to the position. So I select now this bolt, and you see 3 different arrows appear. So I can change now the position of this bolt in any direction. For me, it makes sense to use the arrow which shows up. So I click on that. And I can type now in the length in or the distance I want to change the position of this bolt. I think 150 makes sense. Yeah, so it looks good. It's far away, or it's enough. Yeah, so it should be out of the arm. There should be a distance between the bolt and the arm. And check the time component. It's okay. We want to see the path, yeah, which is this small line here, which is for to show you more information. We can also deselect this to get rid of this path, but I think for me it's okay. It's just more information. And we can also change here the duration, yeah, so how long it takes until this bolt comes out. Can be very fast or slow. 2.5 seconds, it's okay. It's not too fast and it's not too slow. If you have some problems later because you think, oh, it's too slow, then you can modify it here. by clicking then in our browser here. Yeah, so double click on this steps. You can also then later modify this duration. For me, it's okay. And also the other bolt needs to be changed. So click again here, select again the bolt, and make sure that you select the right arrow. Here now you see it shows in the opposite direction. I prefer that the bolt comes out in this direction. So therefore I need to type in minus 150. Yeah, and you see now it is correct and it's the right direction now. Yeah, with the minus, you change the direction of the arrow. And I confirm that again with OK. So the bolts are out. The next step are our arms. Yeah, so again, click on changing the position of the components. We click to one of these arms and we click on the arrow, and again minus 150. Oops, minus 150 looks good so far. Maybe 100 is also good enough. Let's see. Yeah, 100 is good. And OK. And the same with the other arm. Yes, select again the position, select the arm, select the arrow and type in minus 100 because again the arrow shows in the wrong direction, therefore minus is OK. That's it. Now everything is deassembled, and if we click now here on the play button, then it goes exactly how we did it for the deassembling. And on the other play button over here, we see how it will be assembled. That's good so far. There are still some things I want to show you because it's similar to a movie. Yeah, so we have different scenes. Every step what we did is a scene, and we can modify it. Yeah, we can now put this together. Yeah, let's see how it looks. You see now the bolts come out on the same time. Yeah, so by dragging and moving, yeah, so you see on these arrows, you can switch the position wherever you want. You can also change the scenes. Yeah, this is also possible to modify that. Yeah, for example, the arm first and then this, which doesn't make sense. Yeah, but it's possible. So you can change also the order of this sequence. Okay, and yeah, almost our last step is that we want to create a video where we want to show how our universal joint is assembled. Then click on to publish, yeah, and we want to publish a video. Yeah, our current script, it's okay. Here reverse means that we assemble this now and not deassemble. Yeah, it's also okay. And find a place where you want to save it. For me here, it's okay. And you can save it as an AVI or a Windows file. I prefer actually AVI. Okay, and you can give a name of this, explosion, for example. and now click on OK. Okay, here in downloads I found my explosion video. When I click on that, and now it's finished and I can open it. And you see in this video how the parts are assembled now. And this video can now be added to a PowerPoint presentation, yeah, to show it to colleagues, to show it to your management, wherever. So it's pretty good. It's a matter of a few minutes, and it's especially for bigger machines with a lot of parts, much more convenience to do a small video that everybody directly understand what are the components of your machine. Yeah, and don't forget to save that. I also going to save that, and it will be saved as an IPN, which means inventor presentation. Okay, this was the second step, or the last step of our universal joint. The good thing is that we had really now, with this example, I showed you all the steps in Inventor. Yeah, we started with parts, we created these parts, we had then our first assembly group, yeah, where we welded two parts together, and then we had another assembly group where we put all the parts together. We had two different types of drawing here, so a part drawing and also assembly drawing. And we also use the last option here in Inventor for to make a presentation or an explosion view. Yeah, so that's it. We have, of course, more examples in Inventor. I want to show you also some simulations, but for this creating of parts, that's it. That are the main parts, but there are much more in Inventor. Yeah, simulation, finite element method simulation, and also vibration simulation and so on. So there's more coming, but these were the first steps, and I think it's a cool project here, and I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for listening. Good luck. See you.